Hello, in front of me I've got PlayStation 5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to save the data to cloud. In the beginning make sure that you've got PS Plus subscription and then aim for the game you want to upload save from. Now press this button on the controller and select Upload, Download, Save Data. Select console storage and upload. Upload all or select and upload. Confirm. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.